Hi guys, this is Master Coach Tony Morgan, and today's video is on the Gledhill Boilermate A-Class. This particular A-Class is the OV version. That means it's open vent. You can see the feed pipe here, and that's the expansion, and that's the tank above. So the problem what we got here is the customer saying that they're not getting no central heating, and the only way they can get central heating is to turn on this switch button. You can see that there. They have to flip that over, and then they'll get central heating. So the reason for this is that the store temperature inside the thermal store is not getting up to the right temperature for the heating pump to work. So what it has to do, it has to exceed over 60 degrees before the heating pump will come on and heat the radiators. So I just want to show you about the pumps on this particular unit. So as I said, it's the open vent boiler unit, and it's got 3 pumps. I spoke about the SP unit, and it had 2 pumps. So this is for the radiators, that pump there. This pump is the primary pump that pumps between here and the gas boiler in the garage, and this pump is for the hot water, and that pumps out of the thermal store into the plate and to get hot water. So as I said, this switch has been switched over to get the store hot. So basically what happens, this immersion heater is activated, and then that heats it directly, heats up the store and brings up to temperature. Now what we did, if you look close here where you can see S2, if you press that once, that gives you the store temperature inside the store. As you can see, I've pressed it and you can see S1, that's showing 70. Now it's that high because this immersion heater was on. Now previous to that, the temperature was about 45. So at 45, this heating pump won't work. So what I did, I checked the primary pump, I checked the boiler's working, that's working. So I checked this pump, and what I did, I took out the centre screw and made sure that the strength of the pump was strong enough. But in doing that, I found that the pump was very weak. So I'll show you how weak it is. We're just taking the screw out now at the pump, and then we're going to see. So let go. So you can see how easy you stop that. Very easy that, yeah? That's it, stop. Okay, that's it. So that shows the primary pump between the boiler and here is very weak. So that means this pump needs to be changed. So because this particular unit is the OV unit, it means we can either isolate the pump here through the pump valves, which I strongly recommend we don't do that, because on these old valves, the minute you touch that, it'll start leaking, and that means you're going to have to drain it down anyway, because you're going to have to change your pump valves, so it's a pointless touching them. So what we're going to do, we're going to drain it from here. I was going to turn the power off, and then we're going to isolate the tank. So it's got an isolation valve here, shut that off, stop it filling, and then we'll drain the unit, and then we'll change the pump. As I said, it's a pointless touching the valves at this stage. Like I said on one of my previous videos, you can learn more about these Gledhill units on the Master the Basics course.